Well, a fight over water in West Maui spills over into court. After being sued last month over a lack of water, Maui Land Pineapple countersues over those claims and accusations. Paul Drews details what both sides have to say and what can be done to remedy this water issue.
In its counterclaim, Maui Land Pineapple says sprinklers were used on the Kapalua Golf Course on June 25th, even though the area was under drought restrictions which prohibited all irrigation. It also adds that during that month, the courses consumed more than 11 million gallons of water, while only 80,000 gallons were used for Maui County drinking water and none by MLP agricultural tenants during the same time. In TY Management's lawsuit filed last month, it said the reason not enough water was not able to reach users was because of neglect to the century-old water system, saying for years groups warned MLP to repair and maintain the ditch system, and MLP failed to act. What is not being argued is less rain has fallen in West Maui this year, which is under drought conditions. Pu'ukukui in the West Maui Mountains is one of the wettest spots on the island and can average nearly 400 inches of rain a year. But according to the National Weather Service, only about 180 inches of rain has fallen in the mountains above Lahaina so far. That means less water for critical streams like Honokahau.
We've seen many days this summer where it was at the lowest point on record ever, and that's with more than 107 years on record.
Maui Land Pineapple CEO Race Randall said in its countersuit, the problem is not MLP's system. The problem is there has not been enough rain in the past year to supply stream water to all off-stream users in West Maui. State law is clear. Public trust uses, such as in-stream flows and drinking water, take priority over private irrigation. While TY Management said, drought made things worse, but neglect is what made Maui vulnerable. TY has offered to fund repairs and restore neglected wells. But Race counters that was not the case, saying TY failed to prepare for drought conditions. TY negotiated easements from MLP to develop its own well source and storage over 15 years ago, but failed to develop. As both sides fight over who's to blame, the County of Maui expressed interest in taking over the disputed ditch, with Mayor Bisson saying the county is actively exploring opportunities to bring additional systems under public ownership to strengthen our community's water security, while the State Commission on Water Resources feels more security would come from building more reservoirs.
We have great need for them. So the way that our weather patterns are changing, we need to start capturing flows, capturing water when we have it, and storing it for when we know that we'll need it.
Paul Drews, Island News.